The subject of this video is site usage reports. So go to your site, go to Settings, Site Contents, go to Site Usage, and here you'll see metrics about the viewers, number of visits, average time spent by a user, pages that were accessed, documents. You can download, you can specify the duration of the report, whether it's 30 days, a week, 3 months, and other insights about the devices that are accessing the site and the time of day when the access is occurring. So it's a very useful report to find out how the site's being adopted, what the most critical areas are, the high usage, high value areas. And you can download a report as well by clicking that icon. So I hope you enjoyed. Please click like and subscribe. Thanks.